What does the One Big Beautiful Bill mean for your taxes? This 7-part video series will break down the biggest changes. The One Big Beautiful Bill, also known as the Working Families Tax Cut, implements a series of new and increased tax breaks that could lower your tax bill or boost your refund. Here's a summary of the 6 biggest changes. 1. Under the new law, the child tax credit got a boost. The maximum credit increased from $2,000 to $2,200 for each qualifying child. And from 2026 forward, that amount will be adjusted annually for inflation. 2. The maximum state and local tax deduction, also known as the SALT deduction, increases from $10,000 to $40,000, or to $20,000 for married couples who file separately for 2025. The cap increases to $40,400 for 2026 and increases 1% every year after that through 2029 before it drops back down to $10,000. 3. The new law introduces the car loan interest deduction. This allows eligible taxpayers to deduct up to $10,000 in interest paid on a qualifying auto loan for the 2025 through 2028 tax years. 4. There are new no tax on tips rules that let eligible workers deduct up to $25,000 of qualifying tip income on their federal income tax return. The rules apply to the 2025 through 2028 tax years. 5. The new no tax on overtime provisions let eligible workers deduct overtime pay on their federal return. Starting in 2025 and continuing through 2028, you may be able to deduct up to $12,500 in qualifying overtime pay, or up to $25,000 if you're married filing jointly. 6. A new senior deduction lets taxpayers who are at least 65 years old claim a federal income tax deduction of up to $6,000 or up to $12,000 for a married couple where both spouses qualify. This new deduction is in addition to the existing additional standard deduction for seniors, and it will apply for the 2025 through 2028 tax years. Understanding how these changes affect you doesn't have to be stressful. Filers could see up to $1,000 refund increase or lower balance due based on recent tax law changes. Watch the rest of the videos in this series for a deep dive into each change so you'll know exactly what to expect when you file. TurboTax is your trusted resource for tax law changes. Visit TurboTax.com for more info to help you file your taxes with confidence.